What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we're gonna be putting waterproof concealer to the test. Does this actually work? Is it actually waterproof? We're gonna see today. So today we're gonna be testing out the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I'm really excited. I actually tried this concealer quite some time ago, I think when it first came out. And I remember really liking it and thinking that it was super full coverage. It's actually one of my mom's favorite concealers. She literally swears by it because she has a lot of like under eye wrinkles and it doesn't crease in her under eyes, so it's like her holy grail. But it is waterproof. So today we're gonna be putting it to the test and testing whether or not it's waterproof because I have never tested that. So yeah, I'm super excited to be able to partner with IT Cosmetics on today's video. But of course, all opinions are gonna be 100% truthful. Like, I'm literally gonna be bringing you guys with me to the gym. Like, we are gonna do running, we're gonna do sprints, everything. We are gonna get sweaty. We're gonna go into the shower with bathing suit on, and we are gonna see, you know, is this actually gonna last? Like, you guys are gonna see it firsthand with me as well. So yeah, I'm super excited. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click that little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so like I said, I do have some foundation on. Actually, I have on the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. You guys know I love that. It's like the most full coverage CC cream in the world. One of my faves, but we are gonna go in, I think I'm gonna go in with shade Medium Sand. This is 20.5. Another thing that's really awesome is this has been around for a really long time, but it is now available in 48 different shades, which is amazing. So everyone should be able to get a shade that matches them, hopefully. But I'm gonna try Medium Sand, which I am hoping will match me. So this is what the little tube looks like. Let's go ahead and try. I'm going to be applying with a brush. I have this IT Cosmetics. This is their Airbrush Flawless Complexion brush. It has a smaller precision side and then a bigger one. So I'm gonna probably use this precision side first and then this to just buff it out and make sure everything blends. I do remember with this stuff, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just gonna squeeze a tiny bit out and kind of dot it underneath my eye like so. And then we will blend out, and if we need more, we can just apply as needed. I just don't want to go in with too much. And then I'm going to go in with the precision side and just start to blend this out. I'm going to first tap. Oh yes, we have coverage, honey. Sleep has not been my friend recently, so having something that's going to cover up the fact that I have dark circles will help. And this shade does look really good for me as well. I do like a lighter kind of brightened highlight on my under eye, so that's why I do go in with a shade that's a bit lighter than my foundation. Go on and blend this side. I don't honestly think I need any more either. Like, the coverage that I got from just those little bits was really good. It also does not feel drying to my under eyes at all, which is amazing. You guys know I have dry skin, so having like a super mattifying, really dry concealer just does not do me any favors. This actually feels really nice. And you can see that it does have a bit of a sheen to it underneath my eyes as well. Now I'm gonna go in with the bigger side just to blend everything in down here with my foundation. Alrighty, so the concealer is all blended out. It definitely awakened and brightened my under eyes like so much, and it does not feel drying, so that is an A+ in my book. I am gonna go ahead and set the concealer. I always set my concealer, like I never don't do that, so I wanna give the concealer a fair chance to be able to last, just like I do with any other concealer that I wear every day. So we are gonna go ahead in and set this baby. I'm just using the Bye Bye Pores powder in translucent to set it all down. And the powder itself does not claim to be waterproof, so that should not interfere with the testing. All right, you guys, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup. I do want to zoom you guys in so you can really look at my under eyes. Like, literally, they look bomb. Oh, let's get the zoom going. Hello there. Nice up close and personal. This is literally as far in as my camera zooms. But as you guys can see, my under eyes literally look airbrushed. We don't have cracks and crevices, so I think this would be amazing for people of all ages. I feel like that's why my mom loves it so much, is because it really does not settle into fine lines. I know their whole brand is formulated with plastic surgeons, so that's probably something they worked really hard to achieve, but I do think that my under eyes look really nice and very smooth, which is super important. And I don't know if I said this before, but this concealer is an Ulta exclusive, so I will have a link right down below in the description box where you guys can get this, but you can get it at Ulta. But yeah, we still have to test whether or not it is waterproof, so I have a couple errands that I have to run, and then I'm gonna be heading to the gym, so I'm gonna be bringing my camera with me and bringing you guys along. What's up, you guys? Oh my gosh, so my plans got a little sidetracked. It is now 8:18 p.m. I have not gone to the gym yet. I need to go like literally right now. I've had so much stuff going on today. I've been packing stuff. I had to run a bunch of errands, and I thought that I was gonna be able to get to the gym earlier, but I'm still gonna go now. And this concealer has been holding up so well. Like, what the heck? I have not touched up any of my makeup at all today since I have seen you guys. Like, it literally still looks amazing, but I haven't really done anything that would make me like sweat. I mean, I have moved a lot of moving boxes and some of them are really heavy, but we're really gonna put it to the test We're gonna go to the gym now. I'm just gonna go to my apartment gym because hopefully there's not gonna be anybody in there because I hate filming in public, like with people. I just feel like it's weird, but we're gonna go to my apartment gym, get a workout in, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Hey guys, I just got back into my apartment. I'm a little out of breath, but I wanted to show you guys what my makeup looks like. I left my studio lights on. Still looks pretty dang good, if you ask me. Oh my God, I need some water. I'm gonna grab some water and then we're gonna do our last test. My bathroom is like really poorly lit and I feel like you guys aren't gonna be able to see anything, but so far, it's done pretty well. All right guys, so we are in the bathroom of my new house right now. I'm sorry if it's echoey in here. There's not much in here, but this is a much bigger bathroom and you guys can actually see what I'm doing in here. Because I tried to film this in my bathroom in my apartment and you guys could not see anything at all. The bathroom is super small and really dark, so I can't bring my studio lights in there and it was just a hot mess. You literally couldn't see anything. So I came over here to finish the last part of the video where we are gonna splash water on our face and see how this concealer lasts through like literally direct water being applied to the face. So I'm gonna turn this camera around and we're gonna basically submerge our face in water with the sink. I was gonna do it in the shower, but I just washed my hair yesterday, so I was kind of like, I don't really wanna wash my hair and get it all wet today, so you guys know the struggle. So we're just gonna use the sink to do it. It's the same thing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna pull off my lashes just because I feel like those are gonna get completely ruined if they get all wet, so took those off. And we're gonna splash water on our face and see how this goes. I'm gonna put my hair in like a bun. A little bun so my hair doesn't get wet. Wish us luck. Okay, you guys. Water is dripping off my face. But my concealer is still looking good. Let me turn you around so the lights are directly on me. All right, so you guys can see literally water all over my face, but my concealer is still very much on. Pretty crazy. Now I wanna do a test with like a little tissue. So I have a little wad of tissues right here. I'm gonna go and put it on my foundation. You guys can see we get like foundation residue. Now let's try the under eyes and see if we get the residue. Wow. Nothing. Where like if I do my foundation, you get like all this residue. To the other eye. Wow. Like literally nothing. Like the water is coming off, but not the concealer. That is pretty dang amazing if you ask me. Oh my gosh. All right, so this concealer is definitely waterproof. I'm very impressed. Withheld all of my tests, so A+ to that. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.